half inch right on it.
I said 18 pounds. What do you think, Joe? Did you even grab it?
Yeah, she held.
What did you say?
Dad said 19. I said 18. What do you think?
18 and a half.
Really? We don't do halves here.
Bruh, okay.
We round.
I said 19. You said 18.
I can't believe somebody shot a 16-pound tom this morning.
I know.
In northern Indiana, dude, that's crazy. That's like some Florida bird.
I have a feeling.
Some Florida bird migrated over here.
I have a feeling it's gonna be like. 18.
It may be heavier, but I said 18.
I think it's gonna be 18, but obviously I can't say the same thing as you
Oh.
saying.
I'm right.
Oh, 19.
I'm right.
Almost 20. 19 pounds.
I'm
Yep.
right.
We all killed
Did you,
19.
Macho Man?
About me.
Didn't we all kill 19-pound birds?
20.